Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, mesdames et messieurs, distinguished invités, bienvenue à vous and welcome everyone. Karibu nyumbani kwetu. Tunafurahi sana kupokea hapa katika kukwa ya Edinburgh University na tunashukuru sana kwa ushiriki yenu katika kukwa kwetu hapa. Asante kukwa hapa kwetu hapa, asante sana. I am delighted and deeply honored to be installed as the first person of color to hold the position of rector at the University of Edinburgh in 440 years. I want the world to remember me as the woman who paved the way, not only for Black people, but for anyone who aspires to achieve greatness in their lives. This moment in time, we tell the world that you can achieve anything as long as you believe in yourself. I want to be the testimony of what any person is capable of achieving. In this particular morning, I want to pay homage to my ancestors. And for that, I'm calling upon you to stand for a moment of silence to remember all the achievements they've done worldwide. Please stand with me. Thank you very much. The reckoning from the past of this institution in history with slavery, colonialism, and racism shall allow us to speed up the process of reparation and repatriation of some remains that still lies in this university. I'm glad that the university is committed to speed up the process and open a new page around the world. No matter how we wish to describe academic freedom and exercise freedom of expression, this will not be an argument that allows some to diminish one race to another. Today is not about revenge or retribution. It's the day to create new ways of living side by side by promoting humility, dialogue, respect, and dignity. So join me to celebrate equality, diversity, inclusion, and make these human rights truly practicable through our policies in our society in the beat of allowing equal opportunity for all. Peace be upon you. Wa alaikum salam. Thank you.